Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make a little heart keychain. So you'll need a little keychain piece and any color yarn you want. First, I'm going to start by making a magic circle. Then I'm going to chain 2. Then I'm going to keep the circle open. We're going to be working everything into this circle and then tightening it at the end. So I'm going to do a treble. So I'm going to wrap around twice. One. We're going to do 3 of these. 2. 3. So we chained 2 and then we did 3 trebles. Now we're going to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one side of our little heart. And now we're going to do the center. So 1 more treble. And then we're going to do the same thing we did on this side. So we have our center. Now we're going to do 4 double again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to do the 3 trebles on this side. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to chain 2. And then I'm going to slip stitch here at the starting point. And I'm using a size 4 hook. You can always use smaller if you want it tighter, or you can use a bigger size hook. But I found I kind of like this size. So now we have our little heart. And then I'm going to cut off the end, leaving a little bit so I have enough to tie it onto the keychain. But I'm just going to pull it through. And we have our little heart. Okay, so that's one side. I like to do 2 sides so it's a little thicker. But this will be our first one. So now I'm going to take that top yarn piece and put it through the bottom of my key ring. And then I'm going to tie these 2 to really lock that key ring on there. I'm going to do 2 knots just so it's really secure. Okay, so we have our first piece. Now I'm going to do one more heart to do the back side. So magic circle, chain 2, treble 3 times. So here's the first one. Second. Third. So 3 trebles, 4 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Make sure I didn't lose track. So I have my 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Then 1 treble in the middle. Okay. Then 4 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 trebles. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and then slip stitch into the middle. Now this one I'm going to leave a longer piece at the end because we're going to use this piece to sew the 2 pieces together. So you want to leave it a little bit longer. Then I'm going to, first I'll tighten this. Then I'll pull this long piece through. Then we have our second heart. Okay, now I'm going to get my embroidery needle so we could sew these 2 pieces together. Okay, so I got my piece with the long string. I'm going to put it up against our other piece. Now this piece still has some like hanging string. I like to leave it so that I could kind of put it in the middle as a little bit of stuffing. So I just kind of squish it in there. And then you're going to use your long piece to go through. I like to just go through the back loops. So I'll go through the first stitch here, the back loop, and then the back loop on this side. Then I'll go through the back loop on the next stitches, and we're just connecting the 2 pieces. So I'm still going through. I have this piece and I have this piece. I'm going through the back loop here and through the back loop here. All the way around. When you get towards the top, you might need to kind of curve them in a little bit, because sometimes it's hard to see the stitches. Okay, then when I get to the very top, I like to go around the top and through the center. I feel like it makes that top crease a little, I don't know, a little more defined, I guess I would say. Makes it a little more heart-shaped. Also really secures that keychain in there. So I went around once through the middle. I'm gonna go around again through this hole and then out the hole on this side. And you could pull to tighten it. And then you can just pull it through a stitch. I like to make a little knot. And then I put my yarn back through a couple times just to hide it and lock it in there. Just a couple random places. You just don't want to pull it too tight or it might kind of change up the shape. So after you pull it through a couple times, then you can just cut off the extra. And there you go. A little heart keychain.